Let's review how the no validation option works for local delivery rules. Keep in mind, the no validation method should only be used if you have one location for local delivery. Start by navigating to the app settings page. Then click on Local Delivery Settings. Under Distance Validation section, ensure No Validation is selected. Next, go to your Locations tab, where you can see your active store profiles. Confirm that the local delivery toggle is switched on for your desired location. Scroll down to Local Delivery section. Here you can easily toggle this option on or off right here. Once configured, click Save. Now, let's switch over to the front end of your store and refresh the cart page. When you select Local Delivery during checkout, you can immediately pick a delivery date and time slot, without needing to pass any postal code or distance verification checks.